It's ready to serve. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Sarah's House of Flavor. I hope everyone is having a beautiful day. As you can see, I am back in the kitchen and I'm gonna make for you one of my favorite Jamaican dish. It's very simple and easy and it's a quick dish as well. So today I'm going to make some nice authentic Jamaican fish tea. Here I have my fish and I'm using a tilapia fish. I have my season, which I'm going to just season our fish. So here I have some fish season and I have some all-purpose and black pepper. That's all I'm going to use to season our fish. So let's go ahead now and just combine all the seasoning together, and we're gonna rub it onto our fish. All right, so that's what I am going to do right now. So let's get inside of the fish all seasoned. All right, as I said, this is a very simple and easy dish to prepare. So get all the season inside here. So rubbing our seasoning into our fish. Look at that, so easy. And for this, you can use any seasoning of your choice. All right. So I'm just going to leave this, as I said, for a few minutes, and then we're gonna start our cooking. I have our pot here, and the water is boiling. So I am going to add some seasoning. Season up the pot here. I'm not going to add a lot. Right, we add some fish seasoning there. Let's add some all-purpose season. Okay. Now we are going to place our fish in the pot, and you know that fish is pretty easy to cook. So let's just place our fish there and allow it to just cook for around 5 minutes, and then we are going to take it out and then we add the rest of our ingredients. All right, so that's our fish there, and we're going to cook for 5 minutes. All right, so let's cover our pot. Okay, catch you guys in a little while. Fish is ready to remove from the pot, because we don't want to overcook the fish. All right, because we're going to debone our fish here. So let's just remove our fish here. All right, now we have our ingredients that we're going to add. We're going to add our carrots, some corn, and some pumpkin for sure. All right, let's go ahead now and add all these ingredients. So we're going to allow these to cook. All right, we have some ground provision here. We have some Irish potato. The guys, and I'm going to add some nice breadfruits. All right guys, so here we go. Here we have our ground provision and some vegetable here in our pot. So I'm going to allow this to cook while I go ahead and debone our fish. So catch you in a little while. So let's go ahead and add some spinners. Let's remove our cover here. What I'm going to do as well, let me turn the flame down. I'm reducing the flame. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead now and add some little spinners here. And these are my spinners. You can make them in a ball shape, or you can just do it like mine. All right, or rather than that way. Okay, but guys, this is really a simple and easy method or ways in which which you can do your fish tea. Okay, and you can add whatever you want to add. So these are all the ingredients that I'm going to add to mine. Okay, so let's just make a few more, and that's it. Just make a few more, and that's it. I know fish tea, it's more like a broth. You don't add a lot of food. In Jamaica we say grand provision, right? But I am adding what I want to add to mine. Okay, all right, I think that is it. So the pumpkin is already cooked out, and that's what I was. I'm just going to cover this and just allow it to cook for a few more minutes. So let's check on our pot here. This is almost ready. Let's give it a nice stir here. So I have some ingredients here. I'm going to add some onion, my scotch bonnet, and for sure we're going to add some thyme here. I am out of scallion, so definitely I'm going to use some onion. Do this the work same. All right, so here I'm going to use some, fish tea seasoning. There you go. And let's just give it a nice stir here, guys. Whoa, guys, if you could just smell the aroma that is coming from my kitchen here. Okay. Alright, so I'm just going to allow this just to simmer, and then we're going to add our fish. Remember, that's the progress so far with our fish tea, guys. For this, I'm not going to add any more seasoning, nor am I going to add any salt, because the fish tea seasoning already contains salt, so definitely that's it. All right, so just allow this to cook and see you guys in a little while. Okay guys, so now we're going to check on our pot to see how it is. All right, so now I think it's almost ready, and what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just go ahead and add our deboned fish, right? Because I think this is ready to be turned off. Look at that, guys. I think this is ready. See, it's not thick, it's just at the right consistency. All right, so we add our fish there, and I think the food is cooked and everything. So what I am going to do now, I am definitely going to turn off my flame, but that's the result, the end result of our fish tea. Guys, if you could just smell the aroma, it smells amazing, and that scotch bonnet just give it that extra kick, that extra flavor. All right, I hope you guys will go ahead and try out this fish tea, and remember, as usual, like the video, share the video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to Sarah's House of Flavor to see these amazing cooking videos that I am putting out. Alright guys, and as always, walk good, God bless, remember to show love, show compassion, and look out for each other. So this is your girl making some fish tea. Alright, so let's turn my flame off here, because this is ready. Look at that, guys. That's it. Simple and easy recipe. All right, that's it.